Grace Kitchens, in association with the Culinary Federation of Jamaica, presents the Chef's Invitational Challenge on Creative Cooking. 8 chefs, 1 goal: to create the most exciting new recipes using Grace Convenience Foods and local produce, and to be the top chef of the challenge.
Welcome to the semi-final round of the Chef's Invitational Challenge. Today's challengers are, to my left,
Chef Marvin Robinson from Roundhill Hotel.
And to my right is Chef
Kirk Myers from Sandals Royal.
Chef Marvin, tell us about the menu you have lined up for us.
Fire Roasted Tilapia served with Fennel wild rice salad and a watermelon glaze.
What about you, Chef Kirk?
I'm doing Mango Crayfish Salad with a Grace Tuna pie and also a Salami Roulade crusted with coffee.
Let's introduce our judges. First, Mrs. Paulette Roden. Mrs. Roden is a certified professional chef and the director of Crimson Dawn Limited. Next, we have Chef Steve Saw. He's the executive chef at Half Moon Hotel and also a vice president of the Culinary Federation of Jamaica. And next to him, we have Dr. Janet Dyer, the general manager of the Runaway Bay Heart Hotel and Training Institute. Gentlemen, please proceed to your workstations now. The challenge begins now. Chef, tell us what you're doing there.
I have a prepared pie dough now that I'm just going to thin this out and then cut it into my desired shape.
What are you doing here, Chef?
I'm removing the bones.
Yeah. What do you have boiling here, Chef?
That's the wild rice. I'm actually cooking it in some
for your salad.
apple juice, give it a sweet flavor to it.
With the dough, I'm making some decorative cuts here. Yeah, and then these will be baked.
You're whisking eggs there, Chef. What is that for?
I'm just going to use the brush lightly to give a very bold, beautiful color.
Okay. Chef Marvin, I see you are adding the seasonings. Tell us the garlic and the thyme and the... Did I see you add some olive oil a while ago, guy?
Just a bit, just a little bit.
Yes, yeah.
Because they're so thin, I'm going at 350 for a maximum of 15 minutes.
Okay, good.
Now I have my tuna and my vegetables in a bowl now. I'm going to make this. I'm adding some crayfish here to my pot. The filling for the dough right here.
Yes, yeah.
I'm just going to put them out nicely.
I'm dicing up my tomatoes.
Yes, and the de-seed.
For the salad.
Right.
Yeah.
10 minutes has gone. Remind us what you're using the watermelon for,
The
Chef?
watermelon glaze.
What did you pour in?
That's vinegar.
Vinegar, yes. Okay.
A little sugar.
Purple onion. You're using red and green peppers.
Yes, also a bit of yellow. And I'll be using some garlic with this as well.
Okay. Tell us about what is happening over here, guys.
All right, so I'm just sweating these off lovely. Yeah, we'll have a little brandy to it.
Okay.
Give that a little lovely.
So you want flaming over there? Yeah.
Yeah, little flame, you know?
Yeah. What oranges you use for, Chef?
It's also in this salad, just segmenting it.
Okay.
Now we have curry salami, bologna, and some sausages here to make a roulade.
We'll now invite our chief judge to join me in the kitchen to see what our chefs are up to.
Some great smells.
Great smell, Chef, I tell you. And excellent knife skills too, right?
Absolutely.
Well, Chef, you just added the chopped watermelon to the reduced sauce, eh?
Yes, to give the melon flavor to it now.
Yes.
All right, amazing. I'll be back again later.
Okay, thank you, Chef. Thanks.
I'm actually going to make the roulade now.
Yes. What are you slicing, Chef?
Some fennel.
Good to see you using the fennel bulb, Chef. Excellent source of vitamin C too, right?
Yeah.
Right.
And it goes well with fish.
Right. Chef, I see you're using more dough, eh?
Yes, yes.
Back with you, Chef. The blending, you want something smooth, I take it, eh?
Yeah, for the glaze.
We're doing a salad, mango
crayfish
crayfish salad, yes.
Chef, you have ever had crayfish soup, eh?
Oh,
Okay.
amazing.
You know, Chef, I've really never tried, you know, watermelon in a sauce, and I really have to try this one. Tell us about what is happening with the wild rice, Chef.
Almost done.
Okay. Tell us what you have there. What is that, Chef?
It's the Grace veggie.
Oh,
beef.
Vegemins using the beef, pouring on boiling water.
Yeah, I'm just rehydrating it up.
Yeah. Chef, what are you slicing there?
This is a ripened mango.
Okay. Slices of beet in that watermelon sauce, Chef.
Yeah.
I see you use basil there, Chef.
Yes, a little basil.
Basil and mango.
Mint, mango also. I have a little ginger in that as well.
Okay. Chef, can I invite you to join me in the kitchen to see what our chefs are up to?
Excellent combination.
Oh, Chef, can you imagine watermelon being cooked with beet, Chef?
Very interesting.
Very interesting. And over here, mangoes combined with basil and mint and ginger, Chef.
Very nice.
But Chef, you know, they only have 10 minutes left.
I know. Gonna be quick. Okay, amazing.
Thank you, Chef.
Looking forward to tasting.
Oh, I'm looking forward to tasting too, Chef. And you're frying the garnish, right?
Yes.
The slices of potatoes, right?
Yes.
I am now doing the salad.
Okay. Take that wild rice is now cooked, Chef.
It's cooked. You don't want to cook it too much though.
Okay, you want very. How is the pastry coming
It's
on?
coming on nicely, man.
Okay. What are you frying over here, Chef?
The crayfish. This oil is actually seasoned.
Okay. Tell me again what you have in that bowl.
It's the fennel salad.
Fennel salad, so you
Wild
have...
rice, fennel salad.
Tell us what you do here, Chef.
All right, so this is my Grace guava jam. Just add a little spice to it. Some Grace,
What's the spice?
some Grace, beautiful jerk seasoning.
What is happening over here, Chef?
Talking about the fish.
Pan frying the tilapia.
Yeah.
Right, yes. Only 1 minute of cooking time is left. 1 minute of cooking time. We are down to the wire, guys. Time is up, guys. You have 5 minutes left to plate. Seconds to go. 30 seconds. 20 seconds to go. 10 seconds to go, guys. 5 seconds. 4 seconds. 3 seconds. That's it, guys. Please stop working. Oh, wow. Excellent job, guy, with time. Come, Chef. Perfect. Perfect job with time. Be back with us on Friday evening. Same time, same station, when we'll find out the winner of this semi-final round of the Chef's Invitational Challenge.
Grace Kitchens, in association with the Culinary Federation of Jamaica, presents the Chef's Invitational Challenge on creative cooking, taking Grace Convenience Foods to a new level. Who will be the top chef of the challenge? Join CVM TV for Creative Cooking every Tuesday and Friday at 7:50 p.m.